Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified of new recipes. Hello and welcome to Shilpa's cookbook. Today we are going to make instant ragi dosa. Very nutritious and healthy quick breakfast recipe. Let's see how to make it. Now here I have a big mixing bowl with me. First I am going to add 1 cup of ragi flour. And then I am going to add 1 cup of fine rava or chiroti rava. Next add half a cup of rice flour. Rice flour gives nice crispiness to the dosa. And next here I have 1 big onion finely chopped. Add in the chopped onions. You can add according to your taste. You can increase or decrease the quantity. Next I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Next I am going to add salt to taste. Next add in 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. And here I have 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. And lastly I have 2 green chilies which I have finely chopped. Now mix all the ingredients very well. And now I am going to add 1 cup of curd. Little sour curd will give nice and better taste. Add in the curd and put little water in the same bowl and add in water also. Now mix well so that there are no lumps. Now I will be needing more water, so I am going to add approximately 1.5 cup of water here. Now mix everything very well so that there are no lumps. Now everything is mixed well and there are no lumps. Now we have got a batter like regular dosa batter consistency, but we need to add more water. So here I am adding 3/4 cup of water to the batter, and you should get a really thin and watery batter like this. Now cover and rest the batter for at least 30 minutes. Now here I have heated up a dosa tawa on medium flame for few minutes. I am going to add a little ghee onto it, and with the help of the brush I am going to spread it all over the tawa. Now pour the ladle full of batter slowly onto the tawa. You have to cover all the space. Pour it like this. You cannot spread the batter with the help of the ladle like regular dosa. You have to put it like this. Now cover and cook it for few minutes until one side gets nicely cooked and roasted. After 2 minutes, open the lid and drizzle some ghee or oil on the top. Ghee will give more taste. You can also use oil. Now lower the flame and cook it for few more minutes so that dosa gets nicely crisp. Now after few more minutes, dosa is cooked completely. Now gently release it from the tawa and fold it into half. Now take out the dosa onto the serving plate. Serve hot with any chutney of your choice. Do try the recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe and share and like my videos. You can also watch my Kannada channel Manepaka for more exciting and interesting recipes in Kannada with English subtitles. I will see you here with yet another recipe. Until then, take care and happy cooking.